Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because we have the latest and greatest from Johanna Basford, and I know like this is one of those ones where everyone's kind of like, oh, another one, it's gonna be similar, but you know what, I like that she's kind of sticking true to her style. She's evolved a lot, but still, she kind of goes back to some of her roots. So I'm really excited about this one. I want to show it to you guys and do a flip through. So this one just released. Let's go in just a little bit more. Good paper as always. That's actually a really pretty intro. Oh, that is two. I'm excited because I liked her other flower books. The last few have been less flowers, more other like sceneries, and so it's kind of nice to have these go back. These are fun. But yeah, I mean, it's just her style. I know people say, oh, it's just like a repeat of the same thing over and over and over. And I can see how you feel that way. But I mean, at least she stays true to herself. Not many people can. Oh, this would be a fun page. Just think of what you could do here. I like that one a lot. So we got more like mandala styles in here. Now I am thinking of streaming this one live. So tomorrow is Sunday, my normal streaming day. Let me know if we should do a stream live. I'll probably do a giveaway as well. Color a page, probably with Prisma, just because Prismas are my favorite. We could even like start tackling a page like this, just little flowers, and add fun and dimension. Or one like this. I always like to do like rainbows and stuff like the ones like this. We could even tackle like a page like this. I mean, really, their possibilities are endless. This is actually really pretty. I don't know why it's been getting such bad reviews. I didn't follow and like watch, I just saw like some of the comments on Amazon. I really like that. But one thing I did see was some people were saying it's just repetitive, and it's like, yeah, she has her style, but every book is still unique. I like that one a lot. I don't know, it's something I find comfort in the familiarity. I know other people probably don't and they want to see evolution, but I really like that one. For me, the familiarity, you instantly can recognize hers. You'd be like, that's hers. Ooh, this would be fun, like with all fall colors. That's actually a really good one for November. So maybe. Yeah, I would love to stream this, so let me know what you think. These are also pretty. Oop. I could have like ordered earlier and not waited for the US edition, but I've gotten to the point where I just don't care. Yeah, I'm liking these. Plant Hunters list. The end. Let's see if I can come back here. Nope. So yeah, this is really, really pretty, and it wasn't that bad. Let me know if you pre-ordered it, if you got it on time. Mine did come on time. I just didn't film it on time. You know me, I don't care if I'm the first to post it. But I'd love to know what your thoughts are on this. Like, what did you think of the book? Do you have the same problem? You just feel like it's more of the same? Or were you excited? And then let me know if we should stream this tomorrow. I'm probably going to, so if there was a page that stood out that you think would be best, let me know. And until next time, take care. Bye now.